All right, guys, here we go. Try cut the Rimfire's Christmas challenge. It's Armyman giveaway. Now I shot this back in winter with a BB gun. It didn't do very good, but it was a little too cool for me to get out there and shoot it out 22. But I want to give it a try now. I got the Savage A22. Got a 9-power Edinburgh scoop, whatever you want to call it. I want to try some Winchester Super X, the ones with a big fat honking flat hollow point on them. Yeah, it's a good shoot right there. So you got the sighter up there at the top. Yeah, let me see. You got so much for the body, so much for the head. Shoot the snake. I think you're supposed to be in the red circle and the eagle there, but not hit the eagle. Then you have a tiebreaker on Armyman down the lower right there. But you got a sighter up there at the top left. Let's see if the Savage will even feed these things. You have these Winchester ammos have a hard time feeding a lot of guns. Did I actually hit that like in the jaw right there? I can't believe if I did. Try another one. Close enough. Go for it. Okay, start with the big Armyman first. I don't know. Take his leg there, maybe? I don't know. Have to look. Second one over. Now, Winchester ain't the most accurate ammo. Third one over. That dropped way down low. Fourth one over. I think he got his leg there. Let's drop down the next lower row right there. One to the left. Ooh, I'm out. I'm out. Up here again. No, I'm not. There's still one more left in the damn thing. What the heck? Damn. Didn't eject the shell all the way. Daggone it. I had one in there. Oh well. Where am I at? I think the bottom one. There's two. There's Tim. Two more to go. Bottom. Oh, now, click. Okay, let me load up again here again. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, it's like full magazine. Yeah, I had an issue right there. Come on, kind of stovepiped and then, eject the shell casing all the way out. Did you have that? You ever notice Winchester trying to steal CCI's idea of the plastic, the 100-round boxes? They say, oh, we're going to make ours red so it'll be cuter. Make them prettier. Yeah, CCI, we had just happened to have the same idea, CCI, at the same exact time. It came to us in a dream. Hold on, what the Samuel hell is going on here? Not sure. There was one already in the chamber or what, or didn't kick out that one. I see it. I don't know. It must not have kicked out that one. Try again. This is why I love Winchester. I love you, Winchester. I'm gonna get him in a hit there, maybe. I'll blow it up here. Sure, okay, let's go for the snake. Oh, shut down blow up. Okay, eagle without hitting the eagle and without going outside the circle. I might have done it. Yeah. Okay, a little Armyman down the lower right. Anyway, clean on the edge of the paper. Okay, got the 3 Armymen up there in the upper right. Me do cider there. I have any left in here. Yeah, that kind of clicks there when you let out the trigger. That's kind of loud. That's weird. We have another A22 does the same damn thing also. Okay, let me zoom her in here a little bit. I'll come back down. I think I'm right there in the leg, maybe a little bit in that first Armyman there, and maybe the belly right there in the second one. I'm not sure. I got to look at it. I don't know. Third Armyman over, I think I missed. Fourth one maybe over the leg. Bottom row, missed the first one. Missed the second one. I think I got him in the hip there. The third one over. And the leg and the fourth one over. Missed the one on the bottom. The Armyman's at the top right there. I got him in the tippy toe, the first one. I think I missed the middle one. And missed the last one right there. Missed the snake, and now I got a little bit of the tail feathers on that eagle right there. Alrighty, guys, this is a fun one. You want to get hold of any of these targets, got the Rimfire, make sure you get hold of him. He'll email you over a copy. And let me know what you think, guys, and we'll talk to you next time. Oh, wait, hey, I can't hang up yet. Hang on, pause you. I forgot, I got to show the gun. So, 9 power, Edinburgh, scope, Edinburgh, whatever it's called, and these Winchesters right here. Definitely ain't trying to rip off CCI. All right, guys, let me know what you think, and boy, nice day out. Yeah, we'll talk to you next time.